Bien sure you would no. In fact, a adumache de be a demufua. A bird potting ben now to me who say was our talent here.
From childhood, things are from childhood, you know, like who want to be like me yena sad in every.
A cabin of us here, Kai.
So when roofing sheet, metal body.
Okay.
Roofing sheet. Now we have bottle, plastic bottle. No more talking. So I'm doing the Rashid Emmanuel. Into robotic stuff. Say me the nyama SSA. But me say most me to more be the abuamia. I'm much more further education. With the support of materials, I'm meeting the area many vegetable because that's the biggest challenge I'm facing right now. With my boy, many vegetable.
All right, so welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In fact, today has been a good day, a bright day. Over here in Ghana, West Africa, in the Ashanti region of Ghana, yes. And today I'm inside Ejisu. It's one of the towns in the Ashanti region of Ghana over here. And as usual, whenever you see me, it's all about discovering talent in our communities, discovering people with special talents, young entrepreneurs and all that. And that has brought me all the way to Ejisu over here. And today, in fact, my attention was drawn to this young boy who has been able to come out with robotic stuffs. Yes. And when I got to meet him, I was like, wow, so we have people like this in our country and we don't actually know about them. And that is why I have taken upon myself to discover them, to let you know and hear about them. And so moving across the country, and today inside Ejisu, to be precise, I have with me over here this young boy I'm talking about. That is Rashid. Have I got the name correctly?
Rashid Emmanuel.
Very good, Rashid Emmanuel. And Rashid has been able to produce all these that you see on your screen. The first one is an excavator, a very nice one. I would actually let him talk about the things as we start this conversation. And so all that I need from you is to stick and stay, continue to be part of this wonderful family. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, kindly use few seconds. Click on the subscribe button. After that, you turn on the notification bell. And not only that, if this video sounds so interesting to you, please do well to share so that others can have a watch. My big brother, how are you?
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Great. Udiankasa to say?
Rashid Emmanuel.
Rashid Emmanuel. Rashid, free here, Frankasa.
Ejisu Zongo.
Ejisu Zongo. Let's baby a name. A honey baby of Frankasa. Oh, okay. Honey a woo.
Everything.
Oh, okay. Baby a course what I say. All right. Rashid, Ujuma would specifically. I don't see Anna. About say about show Juma who do what you are saying. In fact, I'm really surprised. One Casano, what to me and you know, how was the feel?
It was like if I meet my mom in the future.
Wow. And we see who we now who say why yeah. For example, let's get closer to this one. So what is this?
This is a trailer. Actress.
Okay.
The head and the tail.
Okay, so take out the tail and then let it face the camera. Okay, you can fix the tail over there. Okay. I don't know, as you can see, you know, oh yeah, head on the trailer, no, it's me, to me in the tail, no, at the same time. Now, the head no quite the same way, Anna, yeah, bray, at me, I yeah, Nedia, no tea. Bibi to see. You know, how was the feel?
Oh. Yeah, managing because and you is always thinking about something now or creating a work it in reality like a good.
Yeah. And so I learned you control it with a remote, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, manage big and then let us also inform those who are not able to understand our local language, that we will try as much as possible to get it into English for you as we move along. All right, so that is it. That is the trailer moving so majestically over there, made by this young boy, Rashid Emmanuel, inside Ejisu. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Okay, Rashid, over chunchu so kakra ma me. Ye beba so pa na aka ho asem ye, but em hwe ene ma beto so watimi aye no. Apart from the trailer, we've also seen this beautiful car over here. Bana ye.
But you me.
Etimi movie.
It's a movie.
Great. Ye hwe moto yi nso ye so wana ye. Very cute one. Where the see independent transfer home. And I bet my transfer. Yeah, radio sir. But I bet my I can see a bit my transfer.
I meet my.
Okay. A company number first wait me here. Then I'll be here and send wait my I can see a bit my transfer.
I think it's the good support and equipment and also like materials. I mean, and make it something bigger in this version.
Wow. Wow. I learned this one is also able to move, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do we move it? Where do we press? Okay.
To start it here.
Oh, okay. Wow. So if I put it down right now, it's going to move, right? Small. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So, oh, wow. It doesn't have a stand, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is a very cute one. And according to Rashid, if he gets the needed support, he'll be able to come out with a bigger version of this one. And how he was able to do all this. But before that, let's get into the excavator. Okay, so you did this one yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. First of all, how were you able to do this one? Take us through.
Oh, like several person like first of all, you have to go through YouTube to see how or the tag points are a bit my head. Making also the YD account. Basically, maybe the aluminum stuff or junk and a body no.
Okay.
As you can see that. And then we used to cycle spray on the spray bicycle. They make it color.
Oh, okay.
The cats in the ABM to try papers behind me draw and send me to try the tallow.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. And what you try, you know, C8, you know. And the tare.
Black
board paper na chisa na the tare. Oh, okay. Wow. But what yama any cat brand no or these logo no the same. Okay. And after that, how about the nine?
Oh, the nine say bicycle.
Okay.
Two bicycle. Not some metal stuff when be a also.
Okay.
If that support with the tires, no, they move like front and back.
Wow.
For this one, yeah, completing is
okay. And so, as you can see, it's not yet completed, and that is why it's not able to move on its own. And to be able to move just as the other ones are able to move with the help of the remote control. I don't think this one is made by this young boy Rashid. In fact, he's so talented. Please, if you are having interest in this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family, as I always keep on saying. And then you turn on the notification bell. Try to also like the video, and then if you have any comment, you put it at the comment section as well. One year when I first saw excavator no. After you say we no here bio answer to me a movie.
Like when specifically the me here a glue gun because a glue gun.
Okay.
And I stick it to him because empire no say me when you say the glue no so. Na abu and strong glue and strong enough to hold it.
Okay.
Tia na abu. I want to say no like glue gun and yeah, so many people want to say. It's when Martin channels on was. And then the way and why and Papa Preco.
Wow. And Bibi say, you know, oh yeah, oh to be born Cabe saying.
He say no, Timbon Cabe 56 cities. Because of the spray is not beton. Because the spray back computer 25 cities.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, sure. You might no. In fact, adoma chede bi edamufo a bre potin be na utimi hunu se wo sa talent yi
From childhood, things are from childhood, you know, like who want to be like me yana sad in the paper.
Who want to be an officer? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. And Ushas, you never been why you be a business is here.
One might be me, for instance, me a Caribbean Dawson, Peter Costa by. As an baby, I'm one of them going to Dawson zero. Dawson, you cry car type baby, and I in the piano. Pagani. Oh, okay. We do her. I mean, you are not Dawson elevating and one gas elevating. Oh, okay. Not away. Machine. Oh, no. The criticism the Dawson. Oh, I know you know, huh? Kofubu abema na no be ka kire won say you know ya na kofubu abem but wa mabambu no anka wanhye abusia sa na ma we bi ana emprempi na taka Africans Ghanaians ehye. You see what this boy is saying, emprempi no otimi ye bi de wo kan aka no gate na elevate ne ho ye ayade a in fact wontan hu ne sa otimi aye but bo ne ebu na bam ana de na wo ye bayifo na is a whole lot. Say ebusa na nsem a wono ankasa watene wona sum angofo aka kire no a ahwe anka na krank ye nkone but ni nyina mu no wo hye ne ho den, and that is why we are also here to come around and then showcase these people to you. And it yenhwe why are there say omo abambudie nyina na wa mana mu abam why are there hone there why are there pa na fe let's get into it. We are nyina you know any pentiment nam oh vision be oh be so any so said that be another person can buy the any permit me at na use so no vision pa kese pa a bit more my support and this bit my give you cause at the area we shall see baby and so no what do baby
yeah
and I'm saying here more education about this stuff you know
okay
cause me specifically investing in robotics in the future.
Okay. Wow.
I like me to say Elon Musk in it.
Wow. Wow. You want to become like Elon Musk. All right, Jenny, you know, and what potting bay pana will be here in your life. But before I come one seminar or level of education.
I only moved me call my name drew from 2. At that time I'm dropping out because like none of my to them because school I'm quite a component but technical one but then complete technical like the way I'm a pen and I be on so person transfer almost boy like acquaintance and SMP.
Wow, senior high school, right? Senior high school form 2 and now drop it out. Yes, why? What happened?
But then criticism also comes because passion I be like person here in the future and I would then I say nya and other schools a bit my boy be and I said only said there's no point.
Okay,
so it's better for me to come back and maybe like meet me there harmful money meet me there. Wow, no my mistake because
nanke so to us we cry. Wow. And it's here no
everybody deserves a second chance to
yes do you think when school na kabesa to us bio kabesa ko
technical school
technical school na ka opangasa na watoa robotics no eso ebe na wono me robotics no na
even technical no ko anshira nya pure ibiasa
me gidi sem se no ntina e bia ebu obam kakra no
because na emboa because nya then say school be go tech ne other schools are reach my boa component
yes abuso ejira we so aka se empempio ne yemo fa wi suku a e ho behia se ye pe suku a suit one talent and ye won akọ ya na akọ se chinchina wo kwa ha ana wo kwa bi ne dia brand yi kan owie suku yi ba bi okoye no na technical no nheda nkoso pi kra sare sane nti ka betim kra asi ne dwumadi we nyina hakwan but here he is there ade nyankopon atimi ayeni ama ne nsa no enwuma no ebine e beto no so ntie ne yenhwe mama get it back to what I ask you what be na obehia sesia
like mobile be helpful be like then I said the educational support with machines and sa ne manyaman course mechatronics ne mani wo ho pa
okay
and then say menya what food bit to support me with heavy equipment say machines so bit in as for now meeting the cutting machines are meeting them make a very big one hope think when in Japan
okay
because for you to make something like this in a bigger version it was say unya bit say car tires there are some things going on I want something to be from Sanya because in history component other car companies obi no wait produce all the parts by manufacture all the parts by themselves I'm for be free be them be sample
yeah wow enti samoa no nanka obetuma hia sisi aside that any other form of assistance I'll be here
these two assistants no kwani here make say educational assistants
okay
that machines are equipment
and one near no any educational assistance e beboa mo atoa school ni so ana school no so pese obi mo wa ope technical mum na wetima akotoa adwumade yi so all right menim say abusiafo ehwe amanfo ehwe ye Ghana fo ene amanonefo nyina ehwe in fact abafa adwumade yi se eka wakoma adofo yambota kase pa no se wonso obama abusua yate wonka na emwa bia betim dia abo bia no dwuma wodi na hayi ene ma wo ha really magnificently obusa na ba akobua se we nyina wo wie yi trailer ya we nyina ebusa ye I say around 60 cedis excavator around 55 cedis or something enye nema ne board mpi ne talent no nti ana ma ne time de psika makasa nka wo form edidwuma etise ye ti wo hwe ye nsa mbrei emwa bay and abetime ede aboa brantie you can let us hear from you we leave our contact on the screens you can let us hear from you so that we can all come together to support him yemfa eye bibe de se moto yi ne emra so moto yi mi jasi ho a me press ba bia o de so now switch na me jasi moto no e kona nim na se senka eye na nka ye de nipa betimi atena so a ka betimi a control the camera.
But then into my way, my man stands a bit on the movie theater. That's like they say look real.
Okay.
I could stand on an eye style.
Wow. Eti BBC no e kwa be na amendum we na answer. E kwa be na afa so a okay kan e mabo mutimi eyeye. Ma hu say moto bi sha ha.
Okay. A paper.
Okay.
Phone box na me there. E woto phone na cell phone we box no.
Yes.
And I'm there body no.
Okay.
Ana we ne straw calipo straw no we am moto twene no. And I'm solid black. I found a make way. And I had him say no a moto.
Okay.
And I wrap on the boom to wrap on the serve was a chain. I when say moto no rotate here. A tiny new in
wow.
And I light zoom say what's up?
The light okay.
Last steering wheel no. See when it's on speedometer. So you hear the tower decking. And I wear petrol tank.
Wow. And you the
red light,
a closer. Oh, okay. And then what connected switch na ama both motor no and light ni na.
It's a motor no so technically was a and light no so then so it is like just like any ordinary motor so working on.
Wow. Okay. And yanko you see yahwe yen excavator no. Yahwe motor no so we enti yahwe trailer no. But before I trailer, in fact, that is where my interest is. You share your car. Emodu kakra.
Emodu.
Wow. Kai, what we do na? But you share Rashid. What do you Rashid? We need there.
RWD, rear wheel drive.
Oh, okay. RW.
Rear wheel drive.
D. Okay, 5. Model 5.
5th model, mine.
Oh wow. So what branded on one kasa? And the car no with its own version. Into the car didn't know. Into that be honest, rather na dum no timi e build na kase obo brand no ho. Ene ye mamu ha papa e friend of Safo Kantanka. Wa ye na cars. Come on. Maybe he started like this and now he's making it big time. And that is why I want you to support this young and brilliant guy. Maybe you are an organization, an individual, whoever, the government. Let us all come together to assist this guy. Ni nyan hom faswo ewo oman yi mu emu Africa ene wiase fana nyina. Yen hwe akwabe na faso ye kai.
So when roofing sheet, metal body no.
Okay.
Roofing sheet. Now we have bottle, plastic bottle no I'm talking no.
Okay.
Try and spray it goes in the black.
Okay.
This one be. And I will say plumbing pipe, plastic pipes now there, you try na my heater kind of na flat. Then I'm just try the session and saying. Yeah, I just send me the boat. The hold no, so be strong.
Yeah.
So easy to top on a bit me. Afam. And I will see a side mirror.
Yeah.
And tires no like me and make here.
Okay. What did they make here?
Bicycle tire set them the excavator, you know.
Okay.
Chuma we solid tape empty, you know. Na me the cycle tire no. Afam ho come see me nya molding bit say. Me ya me show so I move to say
okay. And so the farm water so be thickness I will pen. Okay. And then we have the seats in the
steer gears in
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. And the say no oh kabe say
like I said then like send them go 50 cedis
now.
So and she don't customer to us spray no na. Okoto a customer and spray green color no.
Okay. And the one now spray we green color, the black and all that.
I know the masking tape therefore for be on per se. You never can so be disposed. Until we spray black the first one. So I spray another red and was masking and in no spray other parts in green.
Wow. I didn't wish you here.
I like talents are
be anchor. One and one buy. And to
goes on developing a visa.
Oh, okay. And you know, Kofi didn't come aboard so or done or soon Diana when you New Year's way. Would the Indiana a bad diamond as all there? Oh, then it comes to mind.
It's one of my then first my can be a corner as many Juma. Never how can I create this? Oh, so I give it to share domestic materials like you be around me. I don't know how I made my push them together. I made my make it visa.
Wow, it sounds so interesting. In fact, I was here, Mama, your attention and branches now. You show whatever assistance that we can to him now. But you say, one of my comfort to say, you know, I do money a boy more. Ever boy, I'm on my name a bit to me to po come pa. Barber share Bibica Crafter. Car can see a trailer. That is our next thing to talk about. So that she said the city and buy a movie, okay. Control it and let's see. Wow. So it's being moved and controlled by a remote control device. So lovely. Wow. In fact, around tonight I did pop. Yes, it's a school dropout. According to what he said, he dropped out of from school at the level 200 senior high school over here. Yes, and he wants an assistance to continue or further his education into a technical school. Yes, I think that's what we're going to help him the more. I don't think, my name Dana Homra. Na should be crabby and for why. Cecilia, you know, okay. That is the tail that I'm holding right now. Remember, you know, don't go. Stand right there. Okay, chassis, yeah. What chassis with the tail, no, and now chassis with the head.
So head and make it EBR moves. Chassis with the head, no. So like head need the main. So not tail, no. Tail need just something. Plug your head need the move.
Yes.
So I think that head and chassis from EBR.
Yes, upon that concentration, one more power. Oh, okay. And how were you able to come up with all this? You say, what light you now?
Also, to me turning on and off.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And I saw Android charger. With me the charger.
Oh, okay. So that's the Android slot over there.
Yes,
wow. So, what you charge electrically, right?
Yes. Now this is the engine. Gears.
Wow. When you free,
like I said, junk stuffs.
Yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, what's the free?
I call aluminium for a moment. Some metal in scraps now. No more collaboration like money stuff. No way you get perfume.
Yes. Wow. Okay. And I was here a more do kakra. In fact, a more do. Okay. We mono scraps na
scraps na.
Oh, okay. And I'm also wires are connect wires. We no. So how are you able to know? So come wire we in I'm for in Raha.
I hope so. Like, if you want something, you work so hard to gain something from it.
Great.
So, open here, obre. So, what's up? Can be also option now here.
And you know,
hard work and okay. Like me, I'm like other then, but then you go school no classes in the electric circuit.
Yeah.
So we say Bob, no, there is a positive and a negative. Yes. Red wire stand for positive and this one stand with negative. Okay. You do on my like
kaka is having okay kabuma
nafa.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Then for this one, painting in corner na issue and I was saying to remote control no. Control na ngasa technically nyame ye.
Oh, okay.
But everything about the car I mean I'm here. Remote in the new control like 100 cities.
Oh, okay. To win 100 cities and I connect man no. Then ne receiver no inside na.
But you receiver no inside.
Oh, okay.
My silly one say in so like I said in so to it me. If I because I metal. See, I was in the silly baby and you can see so no right be receiver.
Yeah.
To have that in a proof like waterproof.
Wow. Oh, okay. I think the guy has done so well. Tail no. And also, I was a light to
light so.
I saw na sana the reflection it here.
I saw
so
like darkness in the into down deeper.
Oh, okay. It is also the power no.
But when the battery one here. We pour my light in the so.
Oh, okay. Wow. So this is the battery for the light, no?
So on the battery, the only thing they do is light and so. But everything, the head will take care of it.
Oh, okay. And the tie, no, so the quite fast year back on the side,
the same.
Yeah, we mono. Wow. Wow. Oh, okay. So far, but it can't be so. Say, see, the way you're intimate, and I'm always say, Unya and Yama bit my idea to me. It's no more. And I want for more share, you know, what the kind aka and name who do you know here? One, a name equipment, and secondly, say over to our education or educational support. Aside these two, financially, do you need any support?
Yes, sir.
Because the reason I'm saying that is, a bit much to name you bro, or the name of bro, no. A bit me a boy school or the work school, no. But financially, be out here, Sika, the did maybe, and whatever support. Quite fee, and then mommy because I also mammy a boy, you don't come up, but you the end. Do you also need any financial support?
Yes, sir. Financial support and then also a big area. So should have trimmed it down. But then with some financial support, mind to me, I'm completely thriller. Things like engaging with some plumbing now, and I'm making a little. Yeah. And then as a mission, you know, you be no business like you have to. I can't know, like into be fun told you, and I said,
wow.
Friends, you know, was some day, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wow. That also make you big support. You might be one of my being also before so.
Wow. One of my minutes here. Okay. You know, me Bekasa and Sana, you be free here. You're free. I was going to read in quality urban we and then you're too far and a BPM Ejisu Ashanti region Ghana. In fact, on my way, Babia, your friend Babia. Na ya discover na fe ya unveil ya showcase enipa hodwa omowo adom achede ahodo pi ya onyankopon ede adom omo. In fact womodo so wo man we say mo na nipa obeyuma pie ene asem ne say nti na mafade ato me so say me di dwuma we say me na me team ede nti ne e too far e be pie mo ewo eye Ejisu a ye ne Rashid Emmanuel abebo enkomo a to say ye buy no Rashid ebeto one ne mother. In fact ne ma me omu nyina age fe so come anti bre nya daje ne ne mama isu abon komo bra who say ne bay ewo this special talent like this a kwan a on so far so edi share ne bay assistance and supporter ma me etim dia boa ne bay na fe yatoa and come on, so na be part of this wonderful family. The only thing I need from you right away is for you to click on the red button over there. Please be part of this family. Let's move on. Click on the subscribe button and then share this video. In fact, let us get massive views for this young boy, massive support for this young boy. And the next time maybe a bit bano na you never bon come on, never yet and Ejisu action. See you that you never me a bon come off. So as I told you that I'll also try have time with the mother of Rashid Emmanuel. Yes, we've been able to get in touch with the mom, and we're also going to listen to the side of the mother. I say about time for dear, mama dear, for money agro cry. Mammy tis a who send the back at my name to say. I can't be no fast so edge of fire, and wow, they are born a bedroom pen. So say, Mammy, now I'm home to say. Get a radio say, Mamma, Casabena, how can Casa? Apart from Chi, Anna, huh?
Okay, I was on for you free boko.
Mufri boko, and tea, Moka Buzanga Casa. Anna, how's also come? Okay, tea, can I house? Okay. So that is where my house ends. So, my house and I see. Lafia and Lafia alone. I don't know, say, she say, good morning, Lafia alone. Yeah, Gida, Nazua. Okay, Mama, young chef, obey Banka Salono. Okay, Mamu, I say, oh, my, you know, Anna, on a penina, on a kuma. Oh, okay. A brother Tibena who saw Bannet to me name to say. Okay, was shabby and 9 years. Now I yes, I name. Oh, okay. Now I'm Bonocora. And now Bonus. Okay. Ye now we should end with whom for so. Say, I wait here, oh, you is a bonus. Oh, who sent me, yeah, never power owners of a pension. So you will say when you may or oh, okay. Wow. Wow. I tell them many antinemo and one on their seven say, I dear how many school no. Oh, oh, oh. Yam one let me up one amana school now. And it's sick as a man, I'm a year, you may say, no, may yellinty. Young Quajuma. Chimit by another. Oh, okay. It is say, never power. Oh, perfume. Oh. But the Monka Fry, Mamma said, why? And they say, Abaya Unkwana or Shano. Many okay. No, family who are friend. Maybe say, oh, friend, yes, my woman is no cry. Oh, was there already? Oh, amen. Okay, any mommy, Cecilia, I'm afraid. Why any to say, I'm saying, Abjune, Abanoso. Simon now soon she didn't pass also be now, but along the way, Nana, when you bounce, who said, the obey, I know, obey. A bar said, or shall see, oh, you know, I feel now. One way I was saying, but you are not many other pa. On a jipa, or be upon a 2 o'clock as a side area or with me call like upon the same case, Fabian would give me. Okay, baby. Oh, PMC came, so to no be by Fan our brown. Wow. And they are Japan. Oh, fine. Okay. Then she say, acquire one any no for money, which I crowd more war. If you are seeing a show, Ghana for name on the phone, one of Bofrano. No, she say the Eddie can't take Bofrano cry, Kaya, and also they are trusting the school one to me and quite. Nina Fakasena Quasi Casemia, or person twice war. No was she and the to say, you know. I feel be here in America crack, but who are your bar time? So who is set and more ben now, Bofano be here, Cassa. Okay, and more ben here. Materials or the way in machines or the way to trade, and any can say, or then a you walk on and then the con. Nose mask crana. And quality share. Don't be share. Could be always spray. Spray. Later on. Better man. Yes. The piano and no cause. Till your son, your man in a video, bet me to trade channel. Cabab woman sika. Okay. Oh, see on a phone, they cross a phone. Oh, friend, I buy it, but phone come on away. Or the phone come be a tram. We are dear, no, is you some friend. Yes. Wow. Some friend. Okay. Timid. Because phone way, and if I'm better, they are research. This guy needs to do a lot of research before he can be able to come out with all these. Now, never have a phone way and they be able to use Nediana, a crash. In fact, the guy needs our assistance. Mommy, Eddie at was, not to us, so they can cry. I can't hold here, but what send him off, what send him Eddie, and my tea. You're going to wire to be a piano. yɛn famboa yɛabɔfrɛ mommy kakra wa de beto aso a
bacho ye me beto aso se emwa na ni education na
okay
any skasem na any phone no
yes
we me na me toma no say me nko yale tifie
wow okay mommy ti you do be see Nyankopon shira why ye bom pai say bibi pa e be free
amen
ewie maba
nyame nshira
amen
amen
amen